Hey guys, what's up? It's Abhiram and today I'm going to show you how to make a crane or flapping bird. It looks like this. Even we can draw eyes also. This even flaps. So let's get into our video right now. So let's start. You need is one square paper. Now take a square paper, fold it into half. Then open it. Then again fold it into half. Then open it. Then it looks like this one plus symbol. Now turn around, fold it diagonal shape, fold it to half diagonally. Open it up and do on the other side also, fold it diagonally. Now open it up, turn around, click on the middle point like this. Then it will come up like this. Now you have to do is just catch on this mountain diagonals, then get it together like this. Then this flaps, you should fold it like this, and this one also you should fold it like this. See, open it, take this flap like this and this flap like this, bring it together near like this, then take this flap, fold it, and this one also fold it like this. Okay, now take this opening side's edge and fold it till this middle line. This opening flap's edge till this middle line like this. Do the same thing on this side. Turn around and do the same thing on this side. Even on this side, so that it looks like this. Now take this corner and fold it till this line like this. Crease it hard, unfold it, turn around and do the same thing on, see this line till this one like this. Now unfold it, every folds, unfold it. Now tricky things come here. Now take this openable part and this line. You should do is take it to go up till this line comes like this. Now here some two lines will come. We should fold it like this, and over here also. Now turn around and do the same thing. Take this flap till the openable part, then there will be two lines. We should just make it flat and crease it hard. So we have done with our tricky part. Now see, this one will be together and this one like this. This both will be the wings. So what you have to do is take this one. See, the middle point should be like this, and there should be a little difference between the end points so that it would match this line like this. This should be till the middle point and this should be till this one like this. See? Now do the same thing on this side. Now unfold it. See, now you should open only one part like this. Then there will be one small big A shape like this. Now what you have to do is, these will be valley, so you should make it as valleys and press hard over here so that it will go inside. Even this one you should do like this. Open one flap, then press it as valleys and this valleys, then it will be like this. You should just make sure it goes inside this flap like this. Now I was wrong that this will be the wings, but this will be the head and this will be the tail. This will be the wings, so that wings also same like this is the middle point for wings. It should be like this, and then this should be touched with this so that it will flap very good. Turn around and do the same thing. Now one more easy, you can just match this full thing with here like this. Okay, we are this. Now let's make a head. So this one will be our head. Just fold it a little like this, then again unfold it, then we should open like this, press it down. So we are done with our paper crane. It will even flap. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment my channel and subscribe my channel. Turn on the bell icon so that you could get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And one more thing, we can even add eyes to this crane like this. 1, 2. See, one eye, then second eye. So it looks more nice. So we are done with our crane and flapping bird. Bye.